Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're coming to you from the Monaco Yacht Show, and we're about to step on board an incredible 164-foot motor yacht delivered in 2022. This yacht features 3 beautifully designed staterooms, a sleek hybrid propulsion system, and a refined Italian interior. Valued around 47 million euros, this vessel represents modern yacht design at its finest. Let's step on board and begin the tour. Welcome aboard. We're starting the tour right here at the Beach Club. This wide teak platform transforms the stern into a true waterfront lounge, creating a seamless connection to the sea. Twin staircases lead up to the main deck, while the passerelle tucks neatly away, keeping everything clean and uncluttered. Simple, functional, and perfectly designed. Now let's head up to the main deck aft. The main deck aft serves as the yacht's primary outdoor living space, and it's designed to feel open, balanced, and welcoming. Built-in sofas line both sides, finished in light, textured upholstery that pairs beautifully with the teak deck. The seating is deep and comfortable, ideal for relaxing or entertaining, with low-profile coffee tables keeping the layout clean and functional. Subtle LED lighting beneath the sofas adds a warm glow in the evenings, while the teak decking is laid with precision, emphasizing the yacht's attention to detail. Forward, a large sunbed offers uninterrupted views over the stern, framed by stainless steel railings that keep the space secure without blocking sightlines. Overhead, the extended roof provides shade and protection, supported by minimal structure to maintain an open, uncluttered feel. Recessed lighting and integrated speakers are seamlessly built in. Straight ahead, motorized glass doors connect this space directly to the main salon, creating a smooth indoor-outdoor flow. Now, before we head inside, remember, we post daily yacht documentary videos. So if you enjoy this world, make sure to subscribe and join us on board. As we step into the main salon, you're welcomed by a calm, refined atmosphere defined by warm tones, stone finishes, and carefully curated artwork. The layout flows seamlessly from the dining area to the aft lounge, with large sliding glass doors opening directly onto the deck, filling the space with natural light and harbor views. The main salon is arranged around a large L-shaped sofa with accent chairs and a sleek coffee table, creating a comfortable space for relaxing or entertaining. Reflective ceiling panels and recessed lighting enhance the sense of openness, while lacquered cabinetry and stitched leather details add texture and depth. Large recessed windows bring in natural light, with automatic shades providing privacy when needed. Moving forward, the dining area features a spacious table for 10, surrounded by leather chairs and framed by warm wood paneling and integrated lighting. A discreet service corridor to starboard connects to the crew pantry and galley, ensuring seamless service. Now, let's continue forward. This central hallway links the main staircase with side deck access and the guest accommodations below. The staircase is a true design feature, with floating wood steps, a clean metal handrail, and subtle, integrated lighting that gives the space a light, architectural feel. From here, let's first head down and explore the guest staterooms. On the lower deck, the yacht features 4 well-appointed guest staterooms, each designed to feel comfortable, refined, and thoughtfully detailed. The first 2 cabins are configured as twins, with single beds, padded leather headboards, integrated reading lights, and modern portholes that bring in natural light. Clean-lined cabinetry and soft neutral tones give these rooms a calm, elegant feel despite their compact footprint. Each guest cabin includes a private en-suite bathroom, finished with curved stone vanities, brushed metal fixtures, backlit mirrors, and walk-in showers. Beautifully executed and highly functional. Now let's head back up to the main deck. This is the owner's private deck, designed as a true outdoor retreat. At the center, a glass-sided pool creates a striking focal point, surrounded by generous seating and dining areas on both sides. Adjustable tables and deep cushions make this space perfect for relaxed lunches, sunset drinks, or quiet mornings overlooking the water. Overhead, a retractable canopy provides shade when needed, while still allowing the deck to feel open and bright. The combination of glass, teak, and soft upholstery gives this area a calm, resort-like atmosphere. Private, elegant, and perfectly positioned, this deck is all about enjoying the sea in comfort and style. This is the private entrance to the owner's suite, featuring a dedicated desk area with soft lighting and clean, understated finishes. It creates a quiet transition into the suite, setting a calm and refined tone before entering the main living space. This full-beam owner's suite is absolutely stunning. The king-size bed faces large folding windows that bring in light and fresh air while maintaining generous cabinetry below. The layout prioritizes storage and comfort without sacrificing openness. Soft floor lighting, curved cabinetry, layered textures, and elegant fabrics all come together to create a truly luxurious retreat. A private dressing area leads into the owner's bathroom, which is the largest on board. Heated floors, expansive stone vanities, a private water closet, and a spacious walk-in shower make this space feel more like a luxury spa than a yacht bathroom. Now let's head up to the upper deck. The upper deck aft offers another fantastic outdoor entertaining space. Built-in seating surrounds coffee tables, all framed by sleek, hardware-free glass railings that are a signature design element. The views from here, especially during the Monaco Yacht Show, are incredible. Forward, we have an outdoor dining area with seating for 12 and direct access to the upper deck lounge. Inside, the lounge features wide sofas, a TV, large windows, and the same refined finishes seen throughout the yacht. This is a perfect spot to relax, watch a movie, or enjoy a quiet moment. A small service galley nearby includes a coffee station, fridge, and dumbwaiter, making service effortless on this level. Now let's head to the Wheelhouse. The Wheelhouse is modern, clean, and highly technical. 5 large screens display navigation, cameras, and system data. Carbon fiber surfaces reinforce the yacht's contemporary feel. This yacht features a hybrid propulsion system, allowing it to operate on batteries, engines, or both. It can cruise quietly at low speeds using battery power alone, significantly reducing noise and emissions. Cruising speed is around 14 knots, with a top speed of 18 knots. Now let's step outside toward the bow. Forward on the bow, this area is dedicated to storage and operations. The jet skis are securely positioned and fully covered, keeping the deck clean and protected. Just ahead, the anchoring equipment is neatly integrated into the teak deck with polished stainless steel hardware. A low-profile crane handles launch and recovery efficiently without disrupting the overall design. Now let's head up one final level. This is the top deck, designed as a versatile space for both relaxing and entertaining. A shaded dining area sits aft, with built-in seating, loose chairs, and a large table, complemented by a pop-up TV and seamless cabinetry. Overhead skylights flood the space with natural light, while retractable shades allow full control when needed. Forward, generous sun pads and lounge seating create a private area to unwind, whether underway or at anchor. Open, bright, and thoughtfully laid out, this deck is made for enjoying long days on the water. All right, everyone, that wraps up our full tour. This yacht delivers a perfect balance of modern design, comfort, and innovation, and it was an absolute pleasure to tour her here at the Monaco Yacht Show. Big thanks to Caven Yachts for making this experience possible. If you enjoyed the tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.